All right. It's Tuesday, day 145. Let's get going. Aussie cat. Still no higher swing, is still lower. Although this is coming up. This could be the pullback here. So yeah. This could be worth a risk. Somewhere here. So yeah, let's take a note of that. We'll come back later and see what happens. But this looks okay. We could take it there. How about 1 hour? One hour looks okay as well. Okay, let's go Aussie Swiss. I was just marking this out yesterday. Let's take it away. Not as nice as Aussie Cat. So let's not put it on the radar. I mean, we've got this high and then this made a higher high. So so with Aussie Cat. Let's take a look if there's other trades to make. Aussie Yen bouncing on this line. I don't like the price action. Narrow range yesterday. Was there any narrow range? Aussie and Aussie Cat? Nope. So Aussie Yen, nope, not quite ready. Let's not do anything here. Aussie New Zealand dollar. Nope. Nothing I want to trade here right now. It's just still in that area. Let's not do anything. Aussie US dollar, we got narrow range. On the 2 hour, and still doesn't look quite that nice, huh? Yeah, it's just not nice. Cat Swiss. Cat Swiss. On the daily, narrow range, inside bar. We're not gonna do anything until this whole range, it breaks out of this whole range here. Like the other day, we were looking to see if this area is gonna be tested. So next, Cat Yen, inside bar, narrow range. Yeah, so that means if you look, it's just red shape, means it needs to wait for the breakout. So that's what it is. It needs to wait for the breakout. We'll just set alerts to tell us if one side is giving. We would prefer to trade the downside, don't we? Trading upside. Yeah, where's our target? Any targets? Yeah, some target up there, so might be okay. Something we can look at later. Swiss yen, yeah, it's just narrow runner. It's just narrow range bars. So definitely have to wait for some breakout here. Right, it's ready for some breakout. So let's just mark it. It's just consolidating and ready for some breakout to happen. Euro Aussie inverted hammer. No lower swings, still in that uptrend, so let's not do anything crazy here. Euro CAD, yesterday I took the shot on this bar, got stopped out, and it came back down again. So I'm gonna record this. This is a loss. I saw this level, take the shot on this bar. Next bar, immediate rejection. So too bad. That's how it is. It's just not so nice on the daily, right? I mean, it's already right down here. So taking the downside, you knew it's gonna be quite limited. So today, nope, there's nothing left for today. I'm gonna trade this. Euro Swiss on the daily, no bias. On the 2 hour, no bias. Euro Pound, Euro Pound, yeah, I don't like this because this is like right in the middle of the range. This is right in the middle of this month high and month low. It's right in the middle, right? So pullback coming down. Well, you know it's gonna be quite hard to trade this. So let's leave it. I don't see an edge. I don't know if you want to take the pullback trade right now. I mean, it's decent. It's a decent risk reward ratio. It's pretty tight. You know, but it could easily take you out. So even if you do it, let's just, for fun, let's just mark it as purple, as something I might take. We got a big push up, pull back, and then can we see some follow through? Might be enough in there. Euro yen on the daily. Oh, I tried to come down and went up, so not ready to really push down yet. You can see the lower highs, right? We got the lower highs. It's quite nice there. And we got this here, so on the uptrend. Yeah, not gonna do anything. Don't see a trick here. Euro New Zealand, stopped right here. Would have been nicer if it was lower. At least on a pullback we could play the downside, because right now, well, it's quite obvious this level. Man, it's just not nice. We've got to wait for this to break. We just got to wait for this to break, even if we want to take the downside. Euro US dollar. I mean, everything is just, you know, waiting. You wait for the trade, don't do anything else in between. British pound, Aussie dollar, is this a swing? And if this is a swing, this one made a bit lower, so yeah, I like this. We could trade this. So we got down and then the pullback, and then let's see if we can get down here or something like that. Yeah, so now it's just waiting for the pullback to complete. Might pull back to this level. So we'll just set a trend line here. Let's remove this because we know it's pretty steep. We'll just set it anyway, and then we'll see if anything happens. Let's see if yeah, the month it's also right at this monthly level. So yeah, it could double as a good trade, getting ready for the low of the high price to break to signal the low of high sell. So might be okay. Just taking notes. British pound, Canadian. Yeah, on the daily, there's just no edge. British pounds, we see narrow range. Yeah, with this level here, this won't play nice. I'm not gonna trade this, no trades. A British pound, yen, narrow range as well. On the 2 hour, it's just waiting for this level here. Yeah, I'm not gonna do anything. It's just horrendous, this level. We've got to wait for this to break as well. So British pound, New Zealand, now this one, let's flag this one straight away. You know, I mean, you can see when a trade is tradable, right? I mean, we got this nice push down, pull back, and then we go back down. We got the high of low trigger here, sell. So some confluence which adds to the trade, right? So this one, yeah. Now it's only how much can this thing pull back. We definitely want to try and trade this, pull back and then back down again. So yeah, let's just wait this out. This is definitely one trade we want to take if it happens. Yeah, I want to trade the nice setups. I don't want to trade anything that's just dumb. Okay, British pound, dollar, still no low. It's very different from this one. You can see this is a new low pushing down here, so pull back and then downwards. British pound, dollar, we got narrow range, kind of like doji, kinda like doji, kinda. Yeah, no, nothing. We're not gonna do anything on. So New Zealand, Canadian, likewise, pullback. The pullback could be done here already. Yeah. Yeah, something tradable. Nice curvature on the oscillator here, 3-time oscillator. So this might be ready for a trade actually. The trades it's already triggered. So maybe let's just put a small position in. Just to warm, just as a warm up. Okay. New Zealand, Swiss. Sorry, let me just go back and take my notes here. New Zealand CAT. I think we'll do a pullback or anti-buy. 2 hours. Okay. New Zealand dollar Swiss. Still not so nice. You got this high swing here that is not broken yet, so but it might be okay because it might be in sync with everything else, and it just might go higher. New Zealand dollar yen. We got this here. This is not nice enough of a pullback. Alright, so we were of course trying to play this pullback and then push back up again. But this pullback is just one candle, so I don't trade this kind of pullbacks. So I'm not. This one could be done. I'm done in a sense. That was the entry, and if you missed it, you missed it. So I'm not gonna chase this one. New Zealand dollar daily, no edge on the daily. It's just messy. The US dollar pair seems to be just rangy. So US dollar Canadian on the daily, we got narrow range, also inside bar, and then previous day was a doji. So yeah, this one is also getting ready for some action. We just don't know where. It might be downside, you know. It might be even more downside, although this thing has moved down so much. But let's not rule it out. This thing is just let's just set here just to let us know. I mean, I just set the alerts so that when it happens, we can see and take action if we want to. US dollars, we see likewise, we got two bars that are just indecisive. Again, might be even breaking lower downside. Might be even more downside. Still more downside to give. Yeah, it's just US dollar weakness. US dollar yen, narrow range. But no trade, no trade that I would like to trade on this. So that's so much for FX pairs. We do have a few nice, decent setups. Maybe Euro. This one here. Aussie CAT. It's okay. So Aussie CAT and New Zealand dollar CAT, right? I mean, similar trades. New Zealand CAT maybe a bit nicer, but let's see. Okay, let's move on to indices. S&P 500. It just wants to go higher and higher and higher. Yep. Nothing I would do. Yesterday we were trying to spot this pullback, which I took. I took on the Nasdaq pullback, and then on this close I entered a position. Really nice. So today no trade. The Dow this level here. 1, 2, 3. We don't know. I don't know what's gonna happen. So we'll wait. Indices normally comes in London session. Sometimes it just creeps up in Asian session. So we might take the same direction in the Asian session. But other than that, we wait. Aussie Index, the ESX. It's at the monthly level, weekly level. So to me, this is kind of danger area to trade in. I wouldn't want to go long here. It might go long. Not saying it won't, but I just won't do that. The Nikkei, let me remove that. Likewise, it's at this weekly level. I came back up above the monthly lows, but we can still see that the overall trend is still down. The daily especially, this probably is about 50% feet, maybe slightly deeper than 50, right? Oh no, it's right at 50. It's right at 50% pullback of this move. So indecisive. Let it show its hands. Might want to come down. I don't know. Might go up further. But I don't trade it like that. There's no obvious pattern. Not like this. Not like when there's this push up back down to such a nice level. You trade this. I trade this. There's no nice pattern here to trade. The FTSE. Yeah, nothing as well. Nothing that I would trade. It's just messy. Let's go take a look at. I mean, dollar crude is just such. There's no nice pullbacks for me to trade. It's just bouncing up and down and stuff. So there's no nice pullback. All of this is just nice push up action. I need to try and learn to see if I can hop onto this kind of trades. I need to try. Need to tweak a bit of maybe some of my rules, but I'm gonna do it slowly. I'm still gonna trade what I'm most used to. I'm not gonna do anything too major yet. Silver, look at the indecision. It's just inside bar in the middle of the range, and man, narrow range, inside bar. Daily is still up. Don't try to dare trade down on this. So we need this to break. Downside, even upside, right? I mean, it's trapped between these three bars right now. These three bars is kind of forming the price limits. So let's not get too smart here. There's nothing to trade. Gold didn't break out of this day candle set the upper and lower boundaries. It didn't even break out on the top yet, just to the pip. So no trade as well. It's no nice, just nothing nice here to see. We want this push lower maybe and then pull back. So maybe if we get something lower here and then a pullback, and then we might trade that. Other than that, man, this thing is still going up some more. Okay, so I guess that's it. That's the watch list for today. Some nice ones. We just have to keep waiting and trade the nice setups when it comes. Okay, everyone. Catch you later.